Curious about which 3D printers are leading the pack this year? In 2025, 3D printing has evolved with machines that offer exceptional precision, speed, material, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, maker, or pro, these top models deliver high-quality prints with minimal fuss. In this video, we'll explore the best 3D printers of 2025, reviewing standouts that balance performance, reliability, and value. Let's dive in and find the perfect printer to bring your creations to life. Number 5. Sovol T500 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for hobbyists and professionals seeking speed and precision in a compact package. Featuring a Core XY architecture, it achieves printing speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, making it ideal for rapid prototyping. The build volume of 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters accommodates medium-sized projects, while its enclosed design supports stable printing with materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG. The T500 includes an auto bed leveling system for hassle-free setup and a direct drive extruder for precise filament control, ensuring high-quality prints with minimal stringing. Its 4.3-inch touchscreen interface is intuitive, and compatibility with open-source slicers like Cura and Prusa offers flexibility. The printer supports a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, enabling the use of advanced filaments. A built-in filament sensor prevents print failures, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote monitoring. However, its multicolor printing capabilities are limited without additional upgrades, and some users report minor software glitches. The sturdy aluminum frame ensures durability, and the quiet stepper motors reduce noise during operation. The Sovol T500 is priced competitively, often around $600 under dollars, making it a strong contender for those prioritizing speed and reliability over multicolor features. Its community-driven support and frequent firmware updates enhance long-term usability, though assembly may require some technical skill. Overall, the T500 is a robust choice for makers needing a balance of performance and affordability. Number 4. Creality K1 Max is a high-speed Core XY 3D printer tailored for users needing large build volumes and advanced features. With a spacious 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters build area, supports ambitious projects while maintaining print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and accelerations of 20.0 millimeters s. Its all-metal direct drive extruder and 300 degrees Celsius hot end handle a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, and carbon fiber composites. The K1 Max features auto bed leveling, a dual-gear extruder for consistent filament feeding, and an AI-powered camera for real-time print monitoring and failure detection. The enclosed chamber maintains stable temperatures for ABS and other high-temperature materials. Running on Clipper firmware, it offers a responsive 4.3-inch touchscreen and seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi, USB, or Creality Cloud. The K1 Max's robust frame minimizes vibrations, ensuring precision at high speeds. However, its multicolor printing requires the separate Creality filament system (CFS), increasing costs. Priced around $900, $1,000, it competes with premium models but may need initial tuning for optimal results. Some users note occasional firmware bugs, though Creality's active updates address these. The K1 Max excels for large-scale, high-speed printing, making it ideal for small businesses and advanced hobbyists seeking versatility and quality. Number 3. Anycubic KOBRA S1 Combo is a game-changer in budget-friendly multicolor 3D printing. Featuring a Core XY design and the Anycubic Color Engine ACE Pro, with a 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters build volume. It delivers speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and supports up to 8 colors via stacked ACE units. The 320 degrees Celsius hot end handles PAG and more, while auto bed leveling and a direct drive extruder ensure precision. Its enclosed frame enhances stability for high-speed printing, and a built-in camera enables time-lapse recording and monitoring. The Anycubic slicer next, based on Orca Slicer, is user-friendly but lacks Mac support and detailed purge settings, leading to significant filament waste in multicolor prints. For example, 183 grams waste for a 10.9 grams model. The Ace Pro doubles as a filament dryer, improving print reliability. Priced at $500, it undercuts competitors like the Bamboo Lab P1S while offering comparable features. However, multicolor printing is slow due to filament swapping. For example, a 1-hour print took 9 hours, and occasional stringing or firmware bugs can frustrate users. Despite these quirks, its robust build and vibrant community support make it a compelling choice for cost-conscious makers seeking multicolor capabilities. Number 2. Creality K2 Plus Combo is a flagship 3D printer designed for large-scale multicolor printing, boasting a 350 by 350 by 350 mm build volume. Equipped with the Creality Filament System CFS, it supports up to 16 colors by stacking 4 CFS units, rivaling premium systems like Bamboo Labs AMs. Its Core XY structure achieves blazing 600 mm S speeds and 30 thalm per second squared acceleration, printing a benchy in just 10 minutes. The tri-metal 350 degrees Celsius Hotend and Apis all-metal extruder handle PLA, ABS, TPU, and advanced composites. Dual AI cameras enable flow calibration and print monitoring, while Clipper firmware powers a responsive touchscreen interface. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB, and Creality Cloud, though the cloud platform feels overly complex. The heated chamber up to 60 degrees Celsius ensures stable, large prints. Priced at $1,300, $1,500, it offers value for its size and features, but requires tuning to minimize layer lines and filament waste. For example, 207 grams waste for a dragon print. Upgrade kits make the CFS compatible with other Creality models like the K1 series, while less polished than Bamboo Lab. Its massive build, volume, and multicolor potential make it a top pick for advanced users and small businesses. Number 1. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini Combo is a compact, budget-friendly, multicolor 3D printer, perfect for beginners and hobbyists. With a 180 by 180 by 180 mm build volume. It's smaller than competitors, but excels in ease of use and quality. The AMS Lite system enables 4-color printing, delivering vibrant, detailed models with minimal setup. Its bed slinger design reaches speeds up to 500 mm per second, supported by a direct drive extruder and 300 degrees Celsius Hotend, compatible with PLA, PETG, and TPU, auto bed leveling, active flow compensation, and a low 48 decibels noise level ensure a seamless experience. The 3.5-inch touchscreen and Bamboo Studio software based on Orca Slicer offer intuitive control, with Wi-Fi and mobile app integration for remote monitoring. Priced at $549, it's a steal for multicolor printing, though its open-frame design limits advanced materials like ABS. Prints like a 3-color dragon showcase clean layers, but the small build volume restricts larger projects. Its reliability, minimal waste, and polished ecosystem make it the best choice for compact, high-quality multicolor printing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting content.